Good morning, everybody. It is day 8 of our challenge, trading 10k to 1 million. Our equity is at 17.6. That's very nice for the moment. I'll do a quick update how the things progressed during the night, and then we'll chart BTC, ETH, BTC and ETH USD as we do every day. First of all, a quick trade disclaimer. Pause the screen, read this, make sure you understand, and then we'll go straight into the account. So right now the equity is at 17.4. That is 500 less than how we closed the last stream yesterday. What has happened? I can see that we're still in 51 trades. That's 2 less than how we ended. I'm not sure yet which one got stopped out, but I'm sure that 2 shorts got stopped out, probably break even. All the longs are still in profit. Near is one that we didn't adjust the stop loss, and that one popped up again, but we didn't adjust it because we're still trying to get in a bigger position, and we will let this one run for the moment. Then some of the longs got to a take profit, like NFT got profit. I think this one no. Link got to a profit, Ape got to a profit, and that's it. And just now I deleted all the other limit orders for profit taking because I only put them during the night when I cannot manage to see the price action. For now I will just look what Bitcoin is doing. If it rejects, I will probably close these longs before they get stopped out, because the stop loss is still below the entry. But I'm actually glad that we didn't get stopped out of any of the trades, so nothing really has happened. And as you can see, the market moved up a bit. We got stopped out of a few, and these longs, those are 17 longs that are countering 34 shorts, and that is not even enough to keep our equity growing. So it's fine, but we'll see how things progresses. The best thing would be that it moves up a bit more so we can take profit on the longs. Don't need to close the shorts, and then the market drops further, and then we made some profit on the move up, while the move down will gain us equity again. So day 8, let's start with our analysis for today. I will try and keep part 1 just the analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then do some alts in a later stream. Let's get started. I will mute the mic. and I think Koti just has been stopped out. Just a second, let's check that. Yeah, that's another short that got stopped out. Okay, I will just write this one down to check if we need to get in again. Okay, let's continue.
I was overdrawn.
It actually seems pretty simple for today. We are contracting in this range. The volatility is less and less high compared to previous days and compared to the uptrends. It's been pretty slow, which is kind of normal. We've dropped quite a good amount already since the high, 11 and a bit percent. So it's normal that the market is a bit indecisive. People are fearful that this might not get back up. At the moment, bears are still in control, and it's gonna be important in which way this one breaks. Right now we're still held up by this monthly, and yeah, this pitchfork works out great for now. Into the CC of the pitchfork, back down. Here it also works perfectly from the top. This was where it was created. Close to the midpoint, back to the top. It stalled again. It stalled at the CC. To the middle, to the top. This channel also worked out great. So let's say that we go back to the top in the next this week. We could hit it. Keizer. We could hit it again, and clearing up some unfinished business on the charts. If we manage to keep inside of this, and if the bulls manage to keep to push a little bit up, first of all, we're gonna need to get out of this range above the local value area high, and back above this triangle. The problem with that is, if we do break out again, it's gonna look bullish, and I'm not sure where it's gonna end then. Then it's also a point of reclaiming this value area high. Then we're back in the range. This value area low, I'm sorry. Going back outside the bigger range. It's also a breakout point. Getting back in this val. Okay, what we can conclude is there's a lot of resistance above us, a lot of points where bears are probably happy to step in and make sure that we don't get down. So either it's gonna be a really hard grind, or some big fat finger pushes us all the way through in one time. So what I was saying, it's actually kind of easy. Losing the monthly, losing this low, especially this low, would definitely bring us to this cluster of unfinished business. We have another trend line over here. We have a local point of control there, a high volume node. We have a VWAP. We have this naked point of controls. And we know from past price action, 42 is a really strong level. So a bounce could be, or at least that we get stalled there. Getting upside as I told, there's a lot of things that we need to claim before we're back at the top. So I would suggest trade this range. If we get back to the top, I will the logical thing to do is take profits over here. We don't know how much we can stay inside of this. It's also Friday, which means the weekend is coming, and most of the time not much happens in the weekend. So do we want to range where we are now for another 3 days? That would be until there. Yeah, why not? So let's say that we do have this range for today and the whole weekend. Then we would expect on Monday to sweep these lows, maybe hit this trend line, sweep the highs, maybe hit that one, and then go back down, or the other way around. But for me, the bears are in control. It's somewhat logic, since Bitcoin is in a range that the alts are doing well again, or doing still well, because actually Bitcoin has been ranging for a lot of times. We had this drop which dropped the alts, and now they can recover while Bitcoin is in a range. So very simple, trade this range. Or wait for more price action, because for swing positions it's not the time to short, in my opinion. For swing longs it's absolutely also not the time. So the only thing I would do on a daily basis right now on Bitcoin is get in, get out, trade the range, and wait for more price action. Okay. Let's quickly go over ETH, BTC, and ETH USD. I don't have much to add there. We do have another daily. Reclaim this one, or tap that one. We reject it from the CC right now. Still have some dailies left, and we still haven't touched this golden pocket on this beat fan. So what we expected yesterday with this break above the triangle again was that the alts will probably go with it, which is the case. So now is the question, will we reject here, maybe touch one of these speed fans, or will we go up higher to the CC of everything? Which would be bullish for the alts, definitely. I don't really have much to add here. Let's see what ETH USD was doing. We also have another daily over here. This one hasn't been moving up like BTC, but it has been moving, and BTC has been ranging. So can we backtest this trend line? Also with the CC, with tapping this daily, maybe tapping the VWAP, the anchored VWAP again. Maybe there are reasons to at least touch this and then go down, forming some kind of a inverse, some kind of head of shoulders. Can already like expect that to happen. 1, 2, 3, and then I have a bearish, and then it's gonna be the question if it's gonna be a fake out and then move up. Or we go down much further. So nothing more to say about this. I'm happy to wait a little bit more on price action, maybe wait out the weekends. What I will do is look at where the big movers are and try to get in with a quick trade, take probably 60-70% off right away. Maybe take a high leverage trade just to get in some money for today and get out and let the rest run. So have a very nice day. We will do some altcoin charting in an hour or two, I think. So you know what to do. Thank you very much. If you like what I am bringing you, just leave a like, subscribe, share the channel. Thank you very much, and see you next